Good day, will you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Myra Alcisto, 32 years old, 5'2" inches tall, high school graduate, married but blessed with 2 children. I currently residing at 258 San Alejandro, Santa Maria, Pangasinan.
Okay, tell me about your working experience.
I work as housemaid to Mr. and Mrs. Cabaes for 3 years.
How many children did you take care to Mr. and Miss Cabaes?
2, madam.
How old are they?
3 years old and 1 year old.
Okay, what are the duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper is to manage all the household chores, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of baby.
Okay, do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, madam. I know how to take care of a newborn baby by feeding milk every 3 to 4 hours, birth with baby after feeding, change diaper, and send the baby to sleep by singing lullaby.
Okay, can you sing a simple children's song?
Yes, I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding to up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, thank you. What will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
I will check the diaper if it is wet or ill. I'll check if the baby is hungry, but if the baby is still crying, then I will inform my employer that their baby is crying for a long time already.
Okay, are you willing to take care of an elderly and aged person?
Yes, madam, I am willing to take care of an elderly person since I have my grandparents. I take care of them like my special one by helping them to take their food and medicine.
Okay, how would you handle naughty children?
I will handle naughty children by being friendly and playful with them. So I could get their attention. I'll sing with them, teach them good manners and right conduct, reading books together and giving them love and care.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook Filipino food like tinola, sinigang, and many others. I also know how to cook simple Chinese food like steamed fish, fried rice, noodles, soups, and I'm very much willing to learn more.
Okay, can you operate an electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to operate electric appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, floor polisher, oven toaster, microwave oven, and others.
Okay, your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores and at the same time taking care of the children. So how could you handle this kind of situation?
First, I will make sure that the employer's children are in a safe place by putting them into the crib or by giving them some toys to play. Then I will continue doing my works.
Okay, what if during your day off, the employer asks you not to take your day off because they have visitors? What will you do?
I will not take my day off. Instead, I will stay and serve my employer together with their visitors.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of a high salary given to the domestic helpers, to which I can help and support my family to provide their needs in financial matters.
Okay, what would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Sir, madam, if you will give me the opportunity to work as your helper, I promise that I will work hard, be obedient, loyal, and trustworthy. I promise to finish my 2 years contract without causing any problem. Thank you, sir, madam, and God bless.
Okay, thank you.